thunderstorm warning for Polk County in central Iowa, Madison County in south central Iowa, eastern Guthrie County in west central Iowa, eastern Adair County in southwestern Iowa, Dallas County in central Iowa, Warren County in south central Iowa, until 7:45 a.m. At 6:56 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Spring Rock State Park to near Afton, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Des Moines, West Des Moines, Ankeny, Urbandale, Johnston, Clive, Indianola, Altoona, Waukee, Norwalk, Pleasant Hill, Grimes, Perry, Winterset, Adel, Windsor Heights, Carlisle, Bondurant, Polk City, and Tylorville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 43 and 72, and between mile markers 87 and 101. Interstate 80 between mile markers 87 and 149. Interstate 235 between mile markers 1 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Dallas, Guthrie, Madison, Polk, and Warren. The National